Hi, my name is Mikaelah. I'm a Free People's Events Manager, and today I'm going to walk you through creating a ritual bath for self-love. So first things first, you're going to need a container. We're going to start with some Himalayan sea salt. So sea salt is really good for cleansing the auric fields, any sort of energetic hygiene. Rose is a really beautiful flower to connect to the divine feminine and our feminine essence. Elderflower is an herb that brings us joy. It really taps into that inner child, that sense of wonder and adventure. Rosehips attract love into your life, they attract abundance. Cinnamon is a really good herb to connect to our sensual power. DAMIANA is actually something that can help you with that physical and spiritual connection between the soul and the body. Orange peel helps to uplift the spirit. Think about smelling a citrus. It brings you that sense of electricity. Star anise is a really great herb to bring in good luck and fortune. It's a really great seal to this bath, calling in all things that you need, all things that you want for your higher self, and then you're all set. And this is your ritual bath for self-love. You can gift this to a friend, someone that you love. You can use it for yourself. You can put it on your altar, or you can just sit with it, holding the jar to your heart and connecting in that way.